I am Suze Bouwer, marketing enabler, marketing coach, and content creator. I want to tell you a bit more about what I do here in this space. I come from a long career of traditional marketing in the corporate environment, specifically in the hospitality industry. And 6 years ago, I decided that I was going to go extinct if I did not embrace modern marketing, aka digital marketing, online marketing. So I went on a big tangent and learned a whole lot of stuff, most of it the hard way. I signed up with international mentors that I subsequently understand don't know our marketplace, our environment, and therefore a lot of what the gurus teach us does not apply when you've got a smaller population, a smaller community, a much smaller niche market than where the big gurus operate from. Their chances of success are that much bigger. Anyway, I muddled my way through and learned my own way around this space. And I've developed, as a result of what I've learned, a program to help small business owners work their way through the info overload, the too much information out there, the too many options out there, to create a program that you apply in your business daily, that brings you small steps closer to your goal of making online work for your business and bring customers down your conversion funnel. I want to give you an example of one of my clients, Caroline Renzulli, who has two businesses, Pause for Africa and Tissue and More, who has been on my workshop program, working through the steps I recommend, applying what she's learned. And I've got an interview from her so you can hear it directly from the horse's mouth, and some results to show you of what happens or can happen when you apply what I can show you. Let's go and listen to what Caroline has to say, and then I will share with you how my program works.
I'm Caroline. I own my own business. I've got two sides of my business. I've got one side which is corporate, which I've been dealing with for just over 10 years. And the other side of my business is just where my passion is. And this is the side of the business that I really need to find my ideal clients, and the way I'm going to do it is through social media. So for me, it's been a little bit of a frustration thing, not knowing how to get to my ideal clients. I know they're out there. I know this product really, really will appeal to animal lovers, and it's just a very, very passionate side of my business. I've got the product, I've got the price, I've got, the passion, but I'm just not getting it out to my audience. I am petrified of social media. Every time I've tried to do something, I just seem to mess up. I just don't know where I am, what I'm doing, and it's very frustrating. I do try and talk to my daughters who are great with some social media and that, but I just can't connect with them because it's a case of click, click, click. They do everything, and then I try and come back to it, and I just don't know where I am. So it's been very, very frustrating for me. I've got what I want. I've paid people to do websites for me. I've paid people to do photographs for me, and I just can't tie it all together. So there's been a lot of money wasted trying to get this product out, and I haven't been able to do it. One of the things I do try and do is like networking, because you never know who's going to be connected to who. There was one talk, and I just watched Suze do a couple things, and I knew I had to connect. The person I needed was Suze. You said to me, come and see me, and I sat with you, could have been even up to 2 hours. We sat and we chatted, and just everything that you went through and what you picked out, and I just knew that we were going to gel. I just knew now I had somebody, because I said to you, no, Suze, you can just sort of show me, and then I can get my daughter to help me. And the one thing you said to me was that, have your daughters got marketing experience? And I knew then that maybe I was trying to do shortcuts in just having this one-on-one, then going and doing it myself. But that wasn't what I needed. I needed a marketing guru who could say to me, this is where you need to focus. This is where you need to grow. And it's been amazing. It's been an amazing journey. The one-on-one wasn't affordable to a lot of entrepreneurs. You actually started this whole group get together. We'd have four to six people. We sit around a table, and the interaction between just your students as well as yourself and the different questions and advice was unbelievable. It's amazing what you get from sitting in a group, doing hands-on, and actually having input from, the other students as well. I basically had a Facebook page. I had a few little posts that I sort of shared to it. I had a couple followers. It really wasn't anything as to what I'm doing now. And we're only 3-4 weeks into the training. I'm now creating posts, hashtagging. There's still a lot to learn. I've just started my journey, but to see how my page is starting to perform, the people I'm reaching, there's likes, there's shares, it is so exciting. I mean, I go through it weekly. I've been able to go in, I've been able to look at insights into my business. The tools that you've taught us with Facebook is just unbelievable. I mean, it's all there. Your audience, what time your audience are looking at your page, it's invaluable. You actually gave us a program to go through, to check and to rate your whole page. And the moment you go through that, you actually start thinking, oh my word, I haven't got this, I haven't got the next thing, I haven't got the next thing. And the moment we started getting that all right, the whole page has changed, because it's now being set up properly. It's now starting to perform and attract the right audience. And I think it's a good thing to do it from the beginning, because then it's real results. Now, I mean, we were just looking today, I mean, I've had like a 600-700% increase in reach, which is like amazing. I mean, it's just the growth on the page, and we're only at the start. So I must say, I am very excited. Everyone thinks, oh, SEOs, search words, it's going to be so difficult. But when Suze gives you all the tools and the tips on what to do and how to find those keywords, how to find your ideal customer, it's amazing. It is all there. It's just how to find it. And yeah, Suze gives you the tips.
This is a screenshot of some of the statistics from Facebook Insights for Caroline's page. And it shows results over a week when we implemented a week's content calendar, showing what to post every day for consistency, quality by varying the kind of posts, giving tips on how to create posts, where to find engaging content that goes with audience interests. So you'll see here, page views enormously up. That is discoverability, how great content helps people find your content and then click through to view your page. New page likes, that is amazing. Right out the starting gates, when you are building your page, your new audience, getting an audience without paying, who are coming organically. This is people who are interested in your content and therefore are likely to be prospective customers. And this particular statistic, everybody is complaining about reach declining. And here the proof is in the pudding. When you post great content and your audience engages, your reach will increase. So, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed Caroline's story. My program is designed to explain to people why they need to do what they do. So it's very easy then to work through or understand maybe some conflicting advice or other advice you might be given, to understand where it fits in and where it slots in. Much of it is further down the line. It's very important to get your foundation in place, to be sure that you've done the basics. I take you to a level where you can then expand and grow and do the higher level marketing. But without the essential basics of why you are doing what you're doing from a personal point of view and from a business point of view. What is the underlying passion, the why behind your business? Because that's what people buy. You need to be 100% clear on that so it comes through your marketing messaging, because that's what gets people connected to you. Once you know your why, we talk about who your ideal customer is. There is so much stuff out there that says, be sure you've identified your ideal customer. So what, where, how? We've got a whole exercise module that helps you, first of all, identify your ideal customer and learn what engages them. That's the important part of knowing your ideal customer. Where they go, where they hang out, the language they use, the stuff that gets their attention. That is the crux of messaging that works. Once you know who you are talking to, it's important to know what to say. So we help you fine-tune content marketing, learning the different types of content, because it's not just about an inspirational quote on a picture. Video is your biggest marketing opportunity. We show you how to leverage video marketing to put your business out there. The what is very important because it is what connects you, what makes you stand out, what makes you build your brand and awareness, what gets people to share your content, resulting in bigger reach. Once you know what to put out there, it's the where. You need to know where your customers are, not where the gurus tell you you have to be. Facebook is a very good place to start because it is number one, the biggest audience. You're bound to find ideal customers there. It's a great place to hone your social media marketing skills. It gives you an unbelievable toolbox of things to use, mostly free, that you can really perfect your craft. Once you know how to do this, it's very simple to repurpose your content across the other platforms and indeed across your website, your blogging. The how to do it, we offer a content strategy plan that helps you do your social media marketing, update your website, write blogs, nurture relationships, bring people down your sales funnel with email marketing, landing pages, lead magnets, all those things that might be a little bit confusing for you right now. But here, marketing is made simple. I would like to invite you to go to the link below to read more about my workshops, which are also available in online course format if you're not in Johannesburg and can't come and sit at my table. Or you are very welcome to email me to ask more at info@redmatchstick.com. That address again, info@redmatchstick.com. Thank you for looking at this case study. I hope you will join me, and I look forward to helping you ignite your marketing.